Imagine this. You log into your PF account and boom, suddenly you can buy your dream home with just 90% of your savings after just 3 years. Hello friends, my name is Mansi and you have started watching Bosswala English channel. What if I told you that government just upgraded your EPF into a financial superhero for salaried Indians? Curious? Stay guided because what's coming next will change your money game. So there has been new rules for EPF withdrawals. First come is the first time home buyers. So EPF subscribers can now withdraw up to 90% of their provident corpus for housing purposes just after 3 years of EPF membership, down from the previous requirement of 5 years. This relaxation applies only once per member. So you can take this benefit for buying a house only one time in your entire career. The withdrawal can be used for the purchase, construction or down payments or EMIs of a house. For instance, if you have joined EPF in January 2022 and by mid-2025 you have 3 lakh in your account. So you can withdraw 2,70,000, that is 90%, to buy your first house. Under the old rules, you needed at least 36 months, that is 3 years of contribution from both employee and the employer, plus accrued interest, and you had to wait 5 years before you can become eligible to withdraw for housing. So earlier, only 90% of the amount accumulated in 36 months could be withdrawn. Now, it's 90% of the entire corpus after just 3 years. So this change is meant to make home buying easier, unlock more savings and provide flexibility for first-time homeowners. It's intended for down payment and other major housing expenses. Second, minimum life insurance under EDLI scheme. Now 50,000 effective from 18 July 2025. The Employees Deposit Linked Insurance Scheme, which is EDLI scheme, now guarantees a minimum life insurance benefit of 50,000 to families of eligible employees, even if the average PF balance is less than that. So this means even if a member's PF balance over the past year was below 50,000, the nominee will still get 50,000 from EDLI. So the insurance cover under the EDLI scheme can range up to 7 lakh, but now the minimum is assured, making it more inclusive for workers with low balances or newer employees. So no extra cost to employees. The EDLI premium is a part of the employer's contribution, that is 0.5% of basic plus your dearance allowance. Okay friends, before moving on, let me tell you about this perfect app since I'm talking about your financial journey, how you can save your money, how you can save your insurances and everything. So there is this app called Bosswala which can help you in guiding everything through an expert with 500 plus courses in just 999. That too, in just 999 you will get the full access in your favorite language, where the expert will tell you everything in a very real and first-hand experience. To download the app, you just need to click on my description or channel profile. Job gap of up to 60 days will not break service continuity. So before it was even short breaks between jobs, like a few days gap between resigning from one employer to joining the other one, the continuous service clock, making you ineligible for minimum EDLI benefits. But now, a break of up to even 60 consecutive days between two jobs is considered as continuous service for EDLI eligibility. Multiple employment periods are added up as long as the gap does not exceed 60 days. So why it matters now? Because much greater protection for those changing jobs, contract workers or people in informal employment. Short career breaks for personal or professional reasons will not deprive families for insurance benefits. Fourth, coverage extended. So death within 6 months of last PF contribution, and that is if an employee hasn't made PF contribution for the last 6 months but is still officially on the employer's payroll, their family will still qualify for EDLI benefits in case of the employee's death. For example, if someone stopped paying PF in January and remained on the official rolls and died in April, so their nominee or their family would still be eligible for the assured insurance payout. Fifth, there has been some other updates and rules change in EPFO, and they are: first is the claim settlement made faster. So members can now withdraw up to 1 lakh instantly via UPI or ATM for emergencies, which has been started from June and July 2025. Second is auto settlement for higher claims. The threshold for automatic settlement of certain EPF claims has been raised, now up to 5 lakh, making the process quicker for most claimants. Since I'm talking about all the insurances and everything, how you can manage, how government is helping you by providing a better rate of interest on that. So you must be wondering, what if I told you that there is a very amazing company who can help you in getting a better knowledge about the insurance with a high coverage plus low cost? Because we all know that insurance is very important in our life, be it health insurance or term insurance. The most important part is to take care of your family's financial health as well. If you are the only sole member earning in your family, so you must have this in your mind that what will happen to your family if something happens to you. But there, Policybazaar is standing just behind you, where it let you know to compare 51 plus insurance side by side, and you can get up to 2 crore term insurance for just 600 to 700 rupees per month. Plus, they offer up to 15% discount on premiums, and it's not just term insurance. It will help you in getting a good health insurance as well, where the plan starts at just rupees 400 to 500 rupees per month with 1 crore coverage and up to 25% discount if you buy online. They even offer 30-minute claim support, so you are not left waiting during emergencies. If you are planning to start a family, some health plans also cover maternity expenses, including prenatal checkups, delivery, postnatal care, and even a 50,000 rupee maternity benefit, even in the 6th month of pregnancy. So if you are serious of protecting your family's financial health, do check out the link that is there in my description, and have the full right to compare and choose the best policy for you through Policybazaar. Next is partial withdrawal and full withdrawal. So you can fully withdraw your PF after 2 months of the unemployment, and partial withdrawals are possible for medical emergency, education, marriage, or loan repayments, and even for renovating or purchasing a home now. So each of these scenarios has separate rules and withdrawal limits. So now let's understand the interest rate for 2025. So EPF account interest rate for fiscal year 24-25 is 8.25% as recommended by the Central Board of Trustees. So now the question is, why these changes actually matter for the common man, as it gives greater flexibility. First time home buyers can access their savings sooner, unlock liquidity for down payments, stronger protection for families. Even low balance or short service members' families have a safety net with a guaranteed payout. Job mobility is there now. Workers changing jobs or facing short gaps are still protected, making career progression easier and less risky. Inclusiveness is there now. Contract and informal sector workers who often missed out due to technicalities can now qualify for benefits more easily. Now there has been a faster claim access, emergency access via instant withdrawal, and higher auto claim limits for quick settlements are there. So this has improved social security net as well. The changes collectively make EPFO benefits more accessible, flexible, and reliable for the modern workforce. So these updates mark a significant upgrade in India's retirement and insurance frameworks, making them more inclusive, secure, and useful in real life. But make sure, friends, you always double check the latest rules on the official EPFO portal or with your HR for personalized situations. But overall, I have told you all the new updates, the new changes, and the rules in EPFO. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you have any other doubts or feedback for me, please do let me know in the comment section. And I am Mansi. We'll see you in the next video. Also, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
Boss Wala. Be the boss.